What's this? I mean, what do you think it is? It's coffee, clearly. Oh, how I made it. Oh, okay. Let me show you. That's how I made coffee. But we're not here to talk about coffee. We're here to talk about this effect that I recently made for my video Day 4 Quarantine. I just wanted to make an effect where it gives a little bit of dun dun dun, what's gonna happen, and then also a really cool, like, kind of dreamy effect. So I decided to just come up with it. I took inspiration from some other videos that I saw where there was like an actual like eye blinking effect, and I was like, I want to make this same effect but a bit more dreamy, a bit more. So what I came up with is this effect that you saw, and I call it a horror blink. I don't know why horror, maybe because like it gives a little bit of like what's gonna happen, or like dreamy, kind of like, you know, you're drunk and something is about to happen. So that's the feeling I'm gonna give with it, and that's how I came up with it. I'm happy to share this with you guys, and I hope you enjoy it. I hope you use it in your videos, because I think it's something unique, and I haven't seen these kind of like effects around too much. And you can use it as a transition as well. You can put it on like an adjustment layer and just like transition it in between clips or something like that. You don't have to apply it straight to clip. You can just take it, put it on an adjustment layer, so it also can be used as a transition. Now, since it's the first Premiere Pro preset, effects, transition, whatever you want to call it, that I'm releasing, I'm going to put it on my Selfie shop, which is linked below, so go have a look. I have a bunch of free stuff. This is going to go up for just a few dollars, just to, you know, keep me going in this quarantine period. And honestly, it's like less than the cost of a coffee, and you have it forever, so it's not that expensive compared to if you have to sign up to a website, or as well if you go around the Selfie shops, you can't really find many good Premiere Pro effects presets for free. So I decided to give it a little bit, just the cost of a coffee, to, you know, support my work as well, and I hope you understand that. Also, if you do want to start your shop as well with Selfie, you can sell everything from t-shirts to hats to digital products to books, anything you want. There's a link below if you want to sign up using my link. I get a little bit back from your subscription, so if you want to help me that way too, and you can start your own shops in these days and maybe sell your own products and make some extra money as well for you. With that said, I'm happy you made it to this part of the video. As always, please give a like, subscribe if you haven't already. That would really help me, and I'll see you guys in the next video, hopefully tomorrow, probably tomorrow. Leave a comment what I should do the next video about, because this home is not that big and I'm not running out of ideas, but you know, still going on a week of quarantine at least. Stay home, stay safe.